Gusto mong malaman ang pagkatao ng isang tao. Gusto mong malaman ang ugali mo. Tingnan mo kung paano mo ginagamit ang pera at kayamanan mo. Tingnan niyo po. When a person don't give money, that person is stingy and selfish. When a person gives out money, that person is generous. When a person uses his money for his family, that person loves his family. Amen? When a person uses his money to buy people, that person loves power. When a person uses his money to get more money, that person is greedy. When a person uses his money to feed the hungry, that person is holy. When a person uses his money, gives his money without expecting anything in return, that person is a truly loving person. When a person uses his money expecting something in return, that person is a businessman. When a person uses his money to buy cars, clothes, jewelry, that person is materialistic. When a person manages properly his money, that person is responsible. When a person does not know how to make a lot more money, that person is ignorant. But when a person knows how to make more money, that person is smart. Tingnan nyo na po. Gusto mong malaman ang ugali mo. Gusto mong makilala ang ibang tao. Napakahalaga, tignan mo paano niya ginagamit ang kayamanan at pera sa buhay niya.